Hi! In front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Vivo. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Over here, type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now select while using the app, choose Allow and click Home button. After that, you need to select iOS Launcher, click on Always and just got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!